Welcome to another episode of Apollo University. In today's installment, we are going to learn how to use the data storage feature in the Apollo wallet. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the data storage area in the dashboard. Then click Data Storage. You are now looking at the data cloud, in which currently there is only one file displayed. Please be aware that the data cloud is completely decentralized, meaning files uploaded to the blockchain are not monitored. Downloading any files from this cloud is completely the user's responsibility and should only be downloaded if you trust the source. To view more details on each file, you can click the file name to bring up the transaction details. You can do this safely, as this will not download anything at this point. To download the required file, simply press the download button, which can be found both on the transaction details screen or to the right of the file. Let's upload a file to the cloud. Click on File Upload in your left-hand sidebar. First, we are going to choose a name for this upload. For this example, we will upload the new Apollo University logo that is coming soon. Next, a description of what you are uploading. Now the tags. These help when searching for uploads, and the top tags can be filtered by a single click under the search box. To clear these filters again, click the Reset button. You can create new tags by typing your tag and then hitting Create. You can also leave the tag field empty. You can enter multiple tags per upload. Existing tags will come up as a selection as you start typing. Entering a channel. For now, we will leave this field blank, as this field has yet to have a function. Now to upload your file. You can do this by simply dragging your file onto the file field, or press the upload button and select it. Next, the fee. Fees can be found on our Apollo Wiki page, www.apollowiki.net. If the fee is incorrect, check the custom fee box and key in the correct fee. Lastly, key in or paste your secret phrase into the selected box, and enter your 2FA code if this has been enabled. Now press Upload File. Well done, you have successfully uploaded your file to the cloud. This concludes the tutorial on Data Cloud.